Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Now we're going to let the man declare war, but in fairness, by implementing a blockade, a naval blockade, he's effectively said, we're at war with Venezuela. That's considered under international law to be an act of war, correct, Judge?
Yes. Yes, it is. Or particularly in this case,
Idiot.
because it would effectively starve.
Bro, what you doing, man? What you doing?
The truck, that truck.
Anda para la porra.
We were moving.
Oh my God. You have...
And then large Dr. Pepper.
Yes, please. Large.
Anything else?
I'm sorry, somebody just ran into us.
Oh no.
This. Damn, people just roam the fucking road like... Damn.
None of your goddamn
Parents, do you want to set your student up for success this school year? Start with a good night's sleep on a mattress from the original Mattress Factory. We've made back-to-school shopping a breeze. Order online and be delivered directly to campus. Or swing by our factory and drive away with a mattress today. Either way, you'll get top quality at a factory direct price. Our locally made mattresses are designed to fit dorm rooms and apartment bedrooms alike.
You brushing them? Oh, dude. What the f was that, bro?
Whoa.
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? Oh my god. There is a guy skateboarding. What the hell?
Block the video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.